Is called Beautiful Surroundings. The wind blows softly and the trees glide so swiftly with each passing breeze. The smell of nature is in the air, the grass, the river, the dew, you can feel and see. The clouds so beautiful, shifting with the wind, the birds singing praise to God. What a wonderful day to be outside and enjoy all the beauty. No sound of traffic or people outside, just the peaceful sound of nature all around thee. What a quiet, peaceful day surrounding me. How blessed I am to enjoy these little things around me. I didn't have this as a kid, you see, so I appreciate more than ever today. Now that I know how to appreciate it in every way. Beautiful surroundings.